Independence means unity and togetherness to me. In Papua New Guinea, we have a lot of different languages and a diverse culture.
Independence to me means self-reliance, relying on our ability and resources to progress and not being reliant on others.
Being free from others' control or influence. The key word is freedom.
Independence is a time to take stock of how fragile that democracy is, and to value it, to celebrate it, and to protect it.
I feel proud and blessed in the sense that I belong to a self-ruled country with its unique and diverse landscape.
A nation's greatest resource is its people. So everyone has the chance to contribute to make the nation a better place to live in.
47 years and Nambataso. We have been living, breathing, walking, fishing, hunting, gathering in this country for more than 47 years.
By definition, independence means it's the state of being free or control from others. Therefore, I think independence is the ability to take actions of our own responsibility and the power to act, think and speak freely from other people's control.
It's not to entirely depend on the government, but to contribute to the nation in your own little ways.
I'm also hopeful that our government is taking our country on a path envisioned by our forefathers, so that I or my children and their children can have a better life.
The Independence Day just reinforces the pride and love that we have for our country. Seeing all those amazing colors displayed and the traditional costumes that we see on this very special day, it just amplifies the patriotism that exists within our country.
It's a time for family, a time for us to come together, to take stock of our wins, our losses, and forge ahead.
As we celebrate the 47th independence, we can all work together to improve our attitude.
Each of us have a role to play, and we should do it in our capacity and not always rely on our government to provide and solve every socio-economic issues that we have in our communities.
So whenever Independence Day rolls around, it just creates this sense of unity and togetherness. This is also reflected in our national pledge when we pledge to stand together as one people, one nation, and one country.
Take note of that, be proud of that, be emboldened by that, and go visit a museum. Go read a book by Sir Michael Somare, Anthony Siaguru. We have so many Papua New Guinean authors and history that we need to discover, to learn, so that we know where we come from and where we're going to go.